Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about strings, part of programming in C++ course. In C++, a string is a sequence of characters, usually used to represent text. There are two ways to represent strings in C++. Using the char data type. A string can be represented as an array of characters, where each element of the array is a single character. The end of the string is marked by a special character called the null terminator, which is represented by the character literal /0. This code declares a character array named hello and initializes it with the character H, E, L, L, O and the null terminator. The cout statement outputs the string hello. Using the string data type, the C++ standard library provides a string data type that makes it easier to work with strings. A string can be declared using the string keyword, and you can use the plus operator to concatenate strings. This below code declares two string variables, greeting and name, and initialize them with the string hello and John, respectively. The cout statement outputs the concatenated string hello John. Strings are used extensively in C++ programs, particularly in programs that involve user input or output. The string data type provides a convenient and easy to use way to work with the strings in C++. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.